V-280 Valor multi-role helicopter. America's future. Bell Helicopter Textron has announced that the V-280 Valor successfully made its maiden flight debut. The V-280 Valor is a U.S. Army helicopter, a potential replacement for the U-60 Blackhawk in 2030. Physically, the Valor is larger than the U-60 Blackhawk, but smaller than the V-22 Osprey already in use by the U.S. Marine Corps. The V-280 Valor is a third-generation multi-role tiltrotor helicopter specifically designed with agility, speed, range and payload capabilities that exceed conventional helicopters, making it a future combat transport helicopter with many advantages. As is known, the first generation of tiltrotor helicopters are the 15-3 and 15-15, while the second generation is the V-22 Osprey, which already has a lot of combat experience. Valor's presence is to meet the needs of the Joint Multi-Role Technology Demonstrator (JMRTD) program, before following the Future Vertical Lift (FVL) phase to get future helicopters for the U.S. Army. Mitch Snyder, president and CEO of Bell Helicopter, said, "This is an exciting time for Bell Helicopter, and I couldn't be more proud of the progress we have made with the first flight of the Bell V-280." Snyder also added that the maiden flight demonstrates Bell's commitment to always supporting the Department of Defense's leading modernization priorities, and Valor is a perfect transformation to fulfill the challenging mission of the U.S. Armed Forces. "We are excited to share the success of the inaugural V-280 flight with Team Valor," added Snyder. The V-280 intends to truly change what is possible for the military in terms of future battle planning and operations. The Bell V-280 Valor program is part of the collective JMRTD initiative that brings together the engineering resources and industry capabilities of Bell Helicopter, Lockheed Martin, GE, Moog, IAI, True Simulation and Training, Astronics, Eaton, GKN Aerospace, Lord, Meggitt and Spirit Aerosystems. The Bell V-280 Valor is specifically designed to carry out operations and combat support missions, especially because it has a speed and range capability that is far superior to ordinary helicopters, with a maximum speed of 518 km per hour and a combat range of 500 nautical miles to 800 nautical miles or 926 km to 1,482 km. Another advantage of Valor is a platform of independence that other helicopters don't have, that requires logistical support and escort to carry out a mission on the battlefield. Bell also claims that the Valor is the most advanced composite helicopter to date, capable of carrying a crew of 4 and 11 soldiers, with 2 wider side doors making it easier to get on and off. The concept of the Joint Vertical Lift program with the Army is to design a future aircraft that can reach aircraft speeds while retaining the ability to hover and maneuver like a helicopter. Unlike the V-22 Osprey, where the entire engine and rotors are rotated for takeoff, landing and hovering, the V-280 Valor is designed to use a rotating rotor to keep the 2 engines in a fixed position on the wingtips, making multiple missions easier. Troop transport, medical evacuation and carrying supplies are more effective with the 2 slings and a wider door. Although not classified as stealth, several stealth parameters are still applied, such as the shape of the exterior design of the helicopter that is not easily detected by enemy radar, including coating materials that protect heat dissipation from the engine or exhaust, even though it has used a special engine that can reduce heat. Going forward, Bell hopes to design a fighter variant with a slightly different fuselage equipped with the latest generation of machine guns and missiles, and equipped with F-35 Joint Strike Fighter technology called Distributed Aperture Systems (DAS), a suite of high-tech 360 sensors degrees that can display images simultaneously and continuously for both pilots. Valor is also equipped with sensitive sensors that can recognize the location and heat of enemy light weapons fire so as to provide the ability to counterattack to defend themselves. In addition, with the Controlled Flight into Terrain (CFIT) system, the aircraft can fly while rerouting missions, avoiding dangerous obstacles such as mountains, rock walls or building structures. In addition to the new engine technology that is more fuel efficient, the Valor can travel at least 800 km on a single tank of fuel. Thanks to this ability, Valor is able to carry out one mission without the need for forward arming and refueling points, or FARP.
Eagle Flight, Eagle Victor, departing 25 east,
heading 296, altitude 11,000 feet.
Roger, Eagle Victor, this is Eagle Flight, Track 2 is on the go.
I got us dialed into the RPV feed on the MFD.
UAV confirms the target is active with somewhere between 15 and 30 well-armed and committed fighters. They do not know we are coming. First platoon will set up a blocking position here. Third, we'll go in and hit the target from here and here. What?
Hey Jack, you seeing this guy?
I wouldn't want to be where he's at right now.
Viper flight, Viper Zulu.
Target identified. On guns.
30 millimeter.
50. Viper X-ray, I got a Victor sighted east side of compound. He's got launchers, Greg. Target 7800 meters, identified. Armored vehicle in the open.
On the way. Viper X-ray, target destroyed.
Okay, we're coming up on 1 minute out.
1 minute.
1 minute!
30 seconds.
Get ready!
Viper Zulu, this is Eagle Flight.
Inbound, Yankee Hotel.
Viper Zulu.
Land down suppressive fire on Bravo Sierra 11, second floor.
Inbound, on visual.
Lifting fire, moving to overwatch. Roger that.
Saber Oscar, this is Dagger 6. Compound is secure. We have EPWs and intel coming your way. Need X-Build LZ Tiger. Smith, call White 1 and tell him to get his guys up on that ridge to tell me it's all clear.
Roger. White 1, this is Dagger 6, over.
Roger, Eagle 6, Eagle Victor out. We got a Frago sending us another 60 k's north.
Already got it up on the mission display.
Sir! Top, I need you to pull Wilson and his first platoon for a Frago mission up north. Yes, sir! I want you to get everyone back in one piece. Let's go, move! All up. Hey, Mateo, looks like I need another ride.
Just another mission, Jack. Just another mission.
Just another mission.
Eagle Flight, Eagle Victor on the go. Heading 132 at 12,000 feet. Keep us at a spawn's range.
Eagle Flight, this is Dagger 6. Great mission. We couldn't have done it without you.